for at each their nice port, we have given a proper connection. And state moving traffic will use that also. This lane carriages will use tunnel and then turn. And whosoever they want to divert towards nice road, they will use that. Yes, sir. They have to join our express area. So their suggestion is that at least congestion here. So from NHAI side, sir, we have no issue. But government of Karnataka, this junction is also land entrusted to government of Karnataka. We have to start quite early. After this, it will take more time to go down. So then new metro station is set. Tunnel is more difficult, and that also there is the issue of water loss. So because some engineering solution needs to be done for water loss. It is a very complicated thing. It is a very complicated because metro is also there, our highway is also there, and is also there, lots of metro roads are there.